In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio for recording your on-screen activities. It's a versatile tool that's perfect for everything from game streaming to professional presentations. So let's dive right in and get started on the basics of using OBS Studio. First things first, open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to head over to their official website and download the latest version. Once you've got OBS Studio up and running, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which might seem a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Now take a look at the Sources box located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll be able to decide what you want to record. Click on the plus icon here, which allows you to add a new source. Since we want to capture a specific window, select Window Capture from the list of options that appears. This feature is particularly handy if you're trying to record an application window or a web browser specifically, without any distraction from other open programs on your desktop. Once you select Window Capture, a pop-up will appear prompting you to create a name for this new source. Feel free to choose whatever helps you remember it later. After that, another window will open, allowing you to choose which specific window you'd like to capture. If you have multiple applications open, make sure to select the correct one from the drop-down menu. You might notice some additional settings here that allow you to adjust the Windows properties, such as Client Area and Capture Cursor. Tweak these based on your needs. Now with your source successfully added and your window selected, it's time to start recording. Head back over to the main control panel and hit Start Recording. OBS Studio will now begin capturing everything happening within the selected window. It's fascinating how seamless this transition is, going from setting up your screen recording to actually capturing content in just a few steps. And just like that, you're done. You're now recording with OBS Studio, capturing all the details of your chosen window. Remember, to stop recording, simply return to the main interface and click on Stop Recording. The recorded video will be saved automatically to the designated file path you've set in the settings, ready for you to review or edit as you see fit. Hopefully, you found this guide straightforward and helpful. OBS Studio is a powerful tool, and mastering even just its basic functions can open up a plethora of opportunities for your content creation or documentation pursuits. Thank you for tuning in, and happy recording.